This is our bathhouse before the renovation. The floor and the low wall were built in about 1904 or maybe before. This low wall served as the foundation for the second log cabin structure to be built around the bathhouse. The upper walls were built in 1941.
This cool too.
This patch coating they're putting on, which is to fill the irregularities, is Speedcrete PM. It's the same product that was used about 10 years ago to finish around the bathing pool.
Alright, well.
Probably putting the water in first, huh?
It's not perfect, but either are we. Nothing. Now you got a place to put it. That's the plan. That's it.
Wait, I brought 7 up.
Yeah.
Or dairy.
Good
Or
to
dairy.
know.
And
Yeah,
It's a half a sack here.
I think that'd be nice.
This coating is called cidercrete. It's a pool lining coating, and it's meant to be a easily cleaned product that we can clean the bathhouse easier.
Looks good.
Yeah, okay, so I think there's plenty of snacks for people this afternoon.
Yeah, looks like it.
Just a little bit. Whoop, whoop. Yep, that's a tiny bit. That's good.
some of those bags.
The floor is coated with Speedcrete PM, which is the same stuff used for the patchwork earlier. The finished product.